YouTube, I hope everybody is doing well today. It's your camera boy Jona with another free preset for you guys. You can find all download links in the description box below, and I also added the DNG files, so now you guys can use it on Lightroom Mobile. So check out all the previous presets that I made to download the DNGs if you want to use it for that. Today's free preset was requested by a subscriber, and he asked to create this 35mm film look, which is very popular at the moment. Now I don't know exactly how this looks. I don't know if it has dark blacks or if it's saturated or not, but I think it's more about the feeling of this type of pictures and this type of edits, and that's what people are going for with this 35mm film look. They want to create this nostalgic feeling, you know, something that brings back memories and has a sentimental value to it. So that's what I'm gonna try to achieve in this look here. So I will make a series out of this with different types of edits, and they won't necessarily be exactly how a 35mm picture looks, but they will have this feeling about it. Now let's jump into the computer and see how I made this preset, so you guys can learn some stuff about Lightroom yourself and how to make cooler presets, to find your own style and to give that awesome look to the pictures that you already made. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this to come. I'm also making an awesome Lightroom tutorial, actually the only one you will probably need to watch ever again on YouTube. Give some big fat thumbs up on this video so we reach more people and we are able to give more people a free preset. Now let's jump into the computer. Alright, so I have this picture here of my buddy Alejandro. It already has kind of a nostalgic feel, you know, because of the clothing style and the kind of colors in the picture. Let's apply the preset. And as you can see, it really has a old, nostalgic vibe about it, and I'm really digging it. So let me show you how I made it. I left contrast at 0, highlights I brought them down to -70 to give like not too much contrast, not too much sharpness to the picture, and I brought the shadows up to kind of make it a washed out look, and then the blacks I brought them down to still have like some punch to the picture, because as you can see now it's like very bland and I like it to have a bit more of a punch still. Then at the tone curve, I brought up the shadows to give this fade to the image. As you can see, this is width. And here I brought the highlights down a little bit. As you can see, here they're more up. But I brought them down to again give this kind of washed out look. Now HSL, I made the reds a bit more orange. And the aquas and the blue, I put them slightly towards the teal side. And split toning, nothing happened there. Detail, nothing happened there. Effects, I added in a paint overlay, and amount is -20 and the feather 70. As you can see here, it's a very subtle vignette, but I think it also adds to this old nostalgic feeling. And the grain, I put it on 50 because I kind of didn't want to go overboard with the grain. And then the camera calibration, and this is something that I normally do because I like to have my pictures a bit more towards the pink side, but here I made the tint -20 towards the green side because I think green is really kind of a color that makes the pictures have like this certain type of feeling, this kind of sad feeling almost, which, you know, is kind of melancholic, nostalgic. And here again I changed the hue of the greens a little bit, and then the blue again a little bit more to the teal side. So as you can see, it's a very subtle adjustment, and the whole preset is actually quite subtle because I think, yeah, this look is not about creating a crazy punch or contrast in the image, but creating this kind of serene atmosphere which really makes you just look at the picture and the emotion of the person. So yeah, I'm really digging it. I'm gonna make a lot more presets like this because I don't think this is necessarily the 35mm film look, but for me this is something that gives this vibe to the image and I will make a lot more in the future with this look because I know people like it. To create this kind of feeling, but with other color schemes, or a picture that might be still a bit punchy and contrasty, but also has this look about it that just makes you dream about the good old days. So yeah, here you go guys. Hope you enjoyed it. This was a very quick and easy one, but sometimes you don't need a lot of editing or tweaking to give a certain feel to a picture, because as you can see here, the before and after, I really think it's a nice adjustment to the picture. We can maybe apply it to another one just so you guys can see it. So we have this picture here, and maybe it will be even better to see on this one because it has a lot of kind of contrast and pop and a very digital nowadays look, you know, since the cameras are quite good at picking up colors and stuff already. So let's apply the preset, and as you can see here, it really gives this nostalgic, old, little bit of washed out look to the image. So I hope you guys like it, and see you in the next one.